Hi guys, this is Saif. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about fat loss during this lockdown. So fat loss is a major issue among people nowadays, especially the youngsters, because they are doing online classes all the time. They are staying at home. There is no going to the playground and playing football or cricket anything. And the same goes for the elder people. They also are staying at home doing work from home. They are not going outside or doing any stuff like that, and they are not even doing workout because the gyms are also closed. So how can they maintain a healthy weight? By adding some good food into their diet. That's it. So I'm going to talk about food that they can eat to maintain a healthy body weight. So let's get started. Well, in this lockdown, when you guys are staying home, so there will be no issue in making or preparing good quality foods. So number one is fruits. Fruits are highly nutritious, and I have talked about it in the earlier videos. So do check that out. I will keep the link in the description box. So add fruit in your breakfast. Like for example, you are having two rotis, one bowl of vegetables, any vegetables you like. So just take one roti, one bowl of vegetables, an apple or an nashpati or some watermelons, anything. This way you will have less carbohydrate and more nutrients in your food. This will definitely help you lose some pounds over there. Okay, so keep that in mind. And if you want, in the evening you can have a fruit salad also, but don't include every kind of food in your fruit salad when you are eating fruits in evening. Have citric food, like you can have some lemons, some watermelons, apples, like that. Don't include banana or grapes, well you will have some acidity problem if you eat those type of foods in the evening. So keep that in mind also. Number two is oats. Well, most of the people don't like it because it doesn't taste good, but it has more fibers and protein and less in carbohydrate compared to the other food that we eat every day. So have this in your healthy diet. Like I personally have it as a shake. So I have made a shake also and uploaded in the YouTube. So I will just put the link in the description. Go check that out. In that way you will not have able to taste the oats. And when you are preparing oats as a shake, remember this: soak the oats at least for 20 minutes, then put it in the blender or do anything you want. Soak it for 20 minutes. Okay, in that way it will be more digestible. So keep oats in your diet, not every day. You can just have it 4 or 5 times a week, so that will be enough for you. And it has good fiber also, so it will just clean your gut. Have that in your diet. Number three is fish oil. In this case I will recommend you to take it as a supplement. Usually we all eat fish, but we are giving our body only 20 to 30% of that nutrients that is recommended. So in this case you need the fish oil as a supplement. So go for like 300 to 350 milligrams per day. You can have that in the medicine shop. This usually helps you to clear the visceral fats that is not visible in your eyes, but they are still there, like the liver fat, like the fat outside of the heart. So these fats are really dangerous for your body, and consuming fish oil every day will maintain your blood pressure and your blood sugar levels also. So go for that, have that in your healthy diet. And keep in mind that don't give the supplements to the children under 18 because they don't need it. So don't give it to them. If you are an adult, then have one capsule after your breakfast. Don't consume it in empty stomach, it will form acidity. Okay, keep that in mind. Number four is protein. Well, protein is really necessary when it's come to weight loss. So add more protein in your daily meals. That is the main thing. Like for example, go for eggs. Eggs are really cheap and highly nutritious. I personally prefer that. Like if you are having lunch, you are having 300 grams of cooked rice. You are having a big bowl of vegetables, any kind of vegetables that is available in your home, and you are having dal. Well, this is the basic food that every Indian family has. So I am just telling you, cut the rice in half. Like have 150 grams of rice, have 2 boiled eggs, or you can have 1 boiled egg also. It just depends on your appetite. Have eggs, have the 150 grams of rice, have the same amount of dal and same amount of veggies. So in this way you are consuming more nutrients, fibers and protein except for only carbohydrate. When you are adding 300 grams of rice in your food, you're adding too much of carbohydrate and less protein. Dal has minimum protein, like it depends on the what kind of dal you are having. So mainly every family has musur dal, so musur dal is not that much highly proteined. So go for the eggs, it will be really beneficial for you. Number 5 is fiber foods. Well, fiber foods can reduce your hunger. This way you can maintain your healthy body weight. Like you can have chia seeds, soya beans, sprouts, leafy green vegetables, any kind of fruits, and you can have isubgul, that is husk. This type of food will reduce your hunger. So if you are eating too much of food, have half quantity of food and have this type of fiber food in it. So this way it will make you feel fuller and it will just reduce the extra pounds that you are having in your body. So you will be feeling really good after that, and it also helps in constipation. So if you have a constipation problem, adding this type of food will obviously help you out. Well, the main thing is that in Indian diet we consume more carbohydrate compared to protein and fibers or any other nutrients. So when we are consuming more carbohydrates, so we are fueling up our body more, but we are not able to burn all those calories. Like we are not working out, we are not traveling anywhere, we are just sitting on our home working over there. So in this case the carbohydrate is really dangerous for you, but that doesn't mean you should not take carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is necessary for giving you energy. So when you are working in your laptop or working in your working for the class or doing online classes, you need that fuel. So have that, just cut some portion of it and add protein, fibers and all the good nutrients. This will really help you out to maintain a healthy body. I am not showing out any exercises today. I will do that in the next video. So till then, stay healthy, stay fit